Hi, I'm Dennis Hudson for the Hudson Equilibrator, U.S. patent number 8591449B2, and this is just a supplement to the primary video, which is at the website there, whattolearn.com/license.htm. I'm going to keep this down under 3 minutes. Thank you for joining me. This is about baby food and formula, how to use the Hudson Equilibrator. Now, one of the things I've noticed about spoon feeding a baby is how much food ends up every place except in the baby's mouth. And this is a remedy for that. Now, this is how a device using the Hudson Equilibrator to feed a baby might look. In fact, it might even be more of an egg shape. But we have here your soft rounded corners and a nipple sticking out. Now here's another view. Again, here's the nipple over here. And this actually has a cover on it that you can pop off. And we're going to take a look inside. Now, one of the concerns might be the cost, the manufacturing, fabrication cost of something like this. I'm going to cover that in a moment if you just stay with me, please. Now we have here, as you can see, the Equilibrator here inside the package. And this is a pouch, a flexible pouch right there of baby food. And this is a bit too large, but I want you to be able to see what it is. That's a ball check valve, and that would fit right about in here. And as I said before, there might be a cost concern here, and now I want to cover how that works. Alright, ideally, in my view, the customer would make a one-time purchase of the device, the main device, that is the housing with the Equilibrator inside of it and a few nipples. Okay, it would also have the valve included, and all this would be washable. After that, all they would be purchasing is the pouch of food that would also include a proprietary fitting that your company would develop on the end of the bag that would fit this valve. So it would only be your product that would fit this dispenser. And by the way, the same thing would apply to milk formulas as well as food for the child. So the device could be placed lying at any angle relative to the child's mouth, and as baby sucks on the nipple, the valve opens, and the spring here, because of the configuration of the Equilibrator, dispenses a food or formula at a controlled rate. Now, the difference between this and, say, something that's just spring-loaded and not with this architecture that we have in the patent, the advantage is that with the Equilibrator, you're getting a steady rate. In other words, baby would have to suck at a given rate or with a given force throughout the dispensing process. Unlike with an ordinary spring, where the spring is giving out less and less force over time, so baby has to change the strength of sucking. So there is that, and the reduction of mess. So when baby's done, any leftover, if there is any, the whole unit just goes in the refrigerator. So as I say, the customer would initially buy a set of nipples, maybe 3 or 4 nipples, and the holes in the nipples would vary according to whether they're going to use it for formula or for ground food. So again, I'm Dennis Hudson. You can reach me, I'm in the phone book in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.